To remove either optical drive, first remove the side panel and the front panel. Pull out on the drive latch and swing it partially to the left. Push the drive slightly forward and detach the power and data cables from the back of the drive. Note that the serial ATA power and data cables have a latch that must be pressed to free the cable. Pull the drive completely out of the PC. To install a new optical drive into a system that has an empty optical drive bay, first remove the top optical drive before taking out the EMF shield at the front of the bay. To remove the shield, insert a flathead screwdriver into the slots on the shield and pry the shield off. To install an optical drive into either drive bay, push the drive in part way. Attach the power and data cables to the back of the drive. Pull out on the drive latch and insert its peg into the hole marked 2. Slide the drive back until it locks into position.